Howdy, welcome to another episode. This is your host, Victor Pitstop. Today we have more of a, I don't want to say it's a troll kind of car. We're not going to push it. This is RJ, and this is RJ's Ford Focus. It's a manual, and RJ is doing some filming today, and we figure, hey, you know, just give it a few laps. Nothing crazy. The tires look, they look fine. Everything's going to be fine. Any last words? If I break it, I buy it. We're doing it just as is. I know, I see them. I saw that they're bald. Got a pre-check. We don't need AC. I like it as is. This is dope. I'll tell you right away, the pedals are extremely high up. Stomping out pedal, like you stamping somebody out. All right, there's nobody here. Ooh, good power on the motor. Oh, there goes the receipt. It's fine. All right, now let's try this out. I'm sorry, RJ, I lost your receipt. I don't know what that was to. I apologize, but at least I still have your croissant. You have your croissant, and it's gonna be nice and warm after we're done. This car's got good power. I am like shocked. Not even revving it out to redline at all. Let's see, heel towing is gonna be kind of a, oh no, I thought that was gonna be an issue. Not at all. We're turning. This is surprisingly a lot better than I thought it would be. Kind of just warm up a little bit, yep. Short shift. Wow, I am actually surprised. We're gonna like not go too hard because there are drum brakes in the back. All right, we're solid, dude. This is. You can hear the tires just grabbing for something, grasping for anything. Please, God help me. This is actually kind of a good car. Oh, these are the best. I feel like Mr. Regular right now. Oh, there we go. Yeah, there we go. Come on, baby, you got it. Oh, traction control's on. Oh no, not the dreaded traction control. This is hilarious. All the weight's on the front, so dude, come on. I am not pushing. Oh, there's some understeer. I'm not pushing anywhere crazy right now, but for a daily driver, come on, man. This is fun. So much suspension travel. Oh my gosh. This is stupid. This is so stupid. Bert, get out of the way. All right, we're gonna finish off this one more lap. I don't want to burn up RJ's brakes, but the handling, very good. Shockingly good. Shockingly very good handling. This is silly. It is trying so hard. It's definitely not fast, but this is a overall it is car. It is the most car in the world. This is absolutely the most car in the world, and that's we're gonna no. Let's keep going. No. Real quick, one more. Just one more. I'm having fun. I'm actually having like a lot of fun with this car. Man, the shift of weight is great. Like the actual weight balance isn't bad at all, and these tires are not that good. They're like older, they're bald, but I'm surprised at how well this thing handles. How are we doing temperature-wise? Temperature-wise, we're doing good? All good. Wow. Okay. I'm having fun. This is a fun car. I'm enjoying it. Like I said, it's not fast, but it is. It's doing what needs to be done, and that's all you could ask of it. Kind of just gonna cool it down a little bit, but this has been your 6 to 7/10 lap in the Focus sedan. And downshifting with this car and heel towing is really not that bad at all. Like, everything's very smooth, like the rev matching's good, there's no judder, like it's very, very smooth. We're gonna cool it down here. Make sure his brakes aren't all jacked up, but this is, thank you, RJ. This is a breath of fresh air. Like, I kind of want to get just a Econo box and do stupid things to it on track. I think that would be a lot of fun. This is proof that if you have a manual, and I'm gonna take that back, even not a manual, you can have fun in almost any car. This is proof of that, because this is just a higher mileage, regular, probably really good gas mileage, well, not after that, basic car, and I'm having a good time. Look at that. Hilarious. That is hilarious. Didn't push it. Oh, dude, they're dying, like holding on for dear life. I'm actually shocked at how much fun that was. Like, that was actually,
this car is actually fun.
It's fun. And the chassis is like, it's pretty neutral. I'm shocked because there was no entry push to cassette, and it's like, okay, we got this. I am sufficiently shocked at this car. That was fun. I was chuckling like an idiot the whole entire time, but dude, that was awesome. Thank you. I was like, all right, I'm gonna pit, and I was like, no, one more lap. And I was like, one more lap, like just give me one more lap, because I was having too much fun with it. Proves that you don't have to have something crazy to have fun at the track. And I challenge somebody with a Prius to come out here and hand me the keys, because I will find some fun in there. Your croissant is just fine. A receipt flew out the window, and I'm sorry. I don't know where it went. Wow, Ford Focus. This wraps up that you don't need a high power or crazy sports car to have fun at the track. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for getting this far. If you like driving fast and you like cars and you like driving cars fast, even if they're Econo box cars, it proves again that you can have fun in just about anything, then please like and subscribe. We're almost at 1,000. I appreciate you so much. Until next time, bye.